Hello, I'm Jim Glidewell, and if you're a dentist practicing today, you're likely facing a number of challenges. Questions about safety, predictability, accuracy, cash flow, efficiency, and that was before COVID-19 came along, filling the world with even more uncertainty and fear. Fortunately, we also live in a time of great opportunity. Innovations in materials, mechanical engineering, software, and artificial intelligence are fueling a much-needed renaissance for dentists and patients looking to thrive in today's environment. I'm speaking, of course, of digital dentistry. Maybe you hear that term and think of an intraoral scanner or a CAD/CAM milling machine for chairside restorations, but new equipment by itself can be complex, expensive, and disruptive to everyday workflows. That's why we offered 3 primary entry levels for digital dentistry, designed to accommodate and maximize your current capabilities and needs. For clinicians who have not yet invested in digital technologies or prefer to take traditional PVS impressions, Glidewell makes it possible to convert to a digital workflow when the case is received at our lab, using a suite of proprietary innovations, collectively known as Glidewell Intelligent Manufacturing. Work as you always worked and without any additional cost will ensure you too can reap the benefits of an all-digital, nearly hands-free fabrication process that we believe is easily the most sophisticated on earth. Dentists who have invested in an intraoral scanner realize a number of key benefits when sending their digital impressions to Glidewell. We easily accept files from any scanner, provide specialized data validation services by a seasoned team of more than 25 digital technicians, and offer standard 3-day in-lab turnaround. By avoiding the traditional plaster process, model-free restorations also receive a discount of $20 or more per unit. So a $99 BruxZir crown would now cost only $79, or a 3-unit BruxZir bridge only $237. Intraoral scanners also empower dentists to deliver same-day restorations using the Glidewell.io in-office solution. By scanning, designing, and milling fully centered BruxZir, now zirconia, and other materials in-office with no oven wait, practitioners can offer patients a single-visit restorative experience that eliminates second appointments and reduces the risk of cross-contamination. This, of course, is just a high-level overview, a proverbial tip of the iceberg. There are so many exciting features behind each of these solutions. At Glidewell, we've spent 50 years working towards a better tomorrow. Our research and development team alone consists of more than 150 highly credentialed scientists, engineers, and clinicians, with 62 global patents and an additional 114 patents pending, all meant to ensure dental practices can thrive. Give us a call or visit us online, or watch the other videos in this brief series and see why we believe that tomorrow is here. Thank you for watching and for the work you do to improve patients' lives, because our world needs all the smiles you can provide.